Assalamualikum, welcome back to Maisuns World, and you guys requested so much to do this video on my Facebook page and my YouTube. So this video is about how to pronounce the animal's name in English. So almost everyone knows all the names of the animals in English, but if you want to pronounce them nicely, you need to correct your pronunciation. তো চলুন এখন দেখি কিভাবে animals এর নামগুলো ইংলিশে pronounce করতে হয়. So let's get on to the video. First up, we have tiger. Tiger অর্থাৎ বাঘ. এরপর হচ্ছে lion. Lion অর্থাৎ সিংহ. এরপর হচ্ছে hippopotamus. Hippopotamus অর্থ জলহস্তি. এরপর হচ্ছে dog. Dog অর্থাৎ কুকুর. Then we have cat. Cat অর্থাৎ বিড়াল. Now we have rabbit. Rabbit অর্থ খরগোশ. Now we have hyena. Hyena অর্থ hyena. Then we have donkey. Donkey অর্থ গাধা. Now we have horse. Horse অর্থ ঘোড়া. এরপর হচ্ছে monkey. Monkey অর্থ বানর. Now giraffe. Giraffe অর্থ জিরাফ. Then we have zebra. Zebra অর্থ জেব্রা. Then we have panda. Panda অর্থ পান্ডা. Now fox. Fox অর্থ শিয়াল. Then we have crocodile. Crocodile অর্থ কুমির. এরপর হচ্ছে squirrel. Squirrel অর্থ কাঠবিড়ালি. Then we have ox. Ox অর্থ ষাঁড়. Then we have deer. Deer অর্থ হরিণ. Then we have buffalo. Buffalo অর্থ মহিষ. Then we have cow. Cow অর্থ গরু. Then we have elephant. Elephant অর্থ হাতি. Then we have rat. Rat অর্থ ইঁদুর. Then we have sheep. Sheep অর্থ ভেড়া. Then we have goats. Goats অর্থ ছাগল. Then we have camel. Camel অর্থ উট. Then we have bear. Bear অর্থ ভালুক. Then we have rhinoceros. Rhinoceros অর্থ গন্ডার. এরপর হচ্ছে turtle. Turtle অর্থ কচ্ছপ. Then we have frog. Frog অর্থ ব্যাঙ. Then we have pig. Pig অর্থ শুকর. So I hope you guys liked my video, and if you did, smash that like button, smash that share button, and share my videos with your friends and family. And if you guys have any new ideas of what I can make videos, please tell me on my YouTube and my Facebook. Follow me on my Facebook page, Maisuns World, my Instagram, it's Maisun, my Twitter, and my Twitter, Maisun. So see you in my next video. Bye bye guys. Assalamualaikum.